Guys, now please confirm. Now please confirm. Am I audible now? So is everything fine now? Okay, thank you so much. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, everyone. So welcome back again to EduTab and ARD lecture number 8 for NABARD Grade A 2025 exam. So the chapter that we are taking today is Animal Husbandry and Poultry. It is very, very, very important chapter for your examination. There are multiple questions asked each year from this chapter. So what I have done, I have covered this particular chapter into two parts. Today is part 1 and tomorrow we will be covering the part 2. So students, I have already informed you previously also that from tomorrow onward you will be getting the recorded session. ठीक है, तो live अगर नहीं दिखेगा तो please recorded videos मिलेंगी, watch those recorded session. ठीक है, there also I have recorded all the questions, solved all the questions इसी पैटर्न में जैसे हम चला रहे हैं, राइट? चलो, I hope everything is fine and I can proceed. Okay, coming back to the topic. So again, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर फॉर योर एग्जाम. प्लीज डू कवर दिस चैप्टर thoroughly. All topics, all kind of topics that you have seen in PYQs, you should cover all such topics. जैसे कि breeds हो गई, you should know important breeds of cattle, buffalo, sheep, goat. Same poultry की important breeds along with what is broiler, what is layer, what is the difference between them, growing stage क्या है, कितनी weeks तक जो layers हैं वो egg lay करती हैं, everything. इट इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, ऑल्सो स्टूडेंट्स जो रेयरिंग सिस्टम क्या है पोल्ट्री के लिए वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है. अलॉन्ग विद दैट जो मिल्किंग कैसे की जाती है कैटल में, ठीक है, देन एग्स की हैचिंग क्या होती है, इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड क्या होता है, एवरीथिंग बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है ये चैप्टर. प्लीज़ इसको अच्छे से पढ़िए. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस पर्टिकुलर सेशन फॉर द डे with the very first question. तो बहुत ही easy question है. In the very first session also we have learned about different branches of agriculture. ठीक है, you have to tell me the branch of agriculture that deals with rearing, breeding and caring of animal is called. ठीक है, उस branch of agriculture को क्या कहते हैं जहाँ पे हम breeding, rearing and caring of animals करते हैं? Is it veterinary science, animal husbandry, livestock science, dairy technology और zoology? ठीक है, quickly give me the answers. Quickly give me the answer. Very good, I can see answer. You have given right answer, that is animal husbandry. ठीक है, so students, in agriculture I have told you this thing previously that in agriculture we are not only concerned about crop production but we are also concerned or we also take up livestock rearing in agriculture. So livestock rearing, management, breeding is also part of your agriculture, and agriculture science under which we do all this activity is animal husbandry. Easy, right? It was easy. Okay, very good. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is a milch breed of cattle known for high milk yield? ठीक है, milch breed of cattle known for high milk yield. You have to tell me. Your options are Ongole, Gir, Kangyam, अमृत महल, थारपारकर. ठीक है, before that let me tell you what are milch breed. So students, your cattle and buffaloes are divided into 3 categories. First we have is milch breed, then we have draught breed, and then we have a dual purpose breed, right? Milch purpose breed are very good milk yielder, basically breeds which eat good amount of yield comes under milch breed, right? Then we have draught breed. In draught breed, the breeds which are not good milk yielder but they can be used for performing some task, like some agriculture task like plowing can be done through these breed or breed, that is called draught breed, जो किसी काम के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं. ठीक है, then we have dual purpose. These breeds which are of dual purpose are average milk yielder and can also be brought under some work. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों काम करते हैं, तो that is dual purpose. So students, right answer for this will be very good. All of you have given the right answer, that is Gir. So Gir is the milch breed of cattle which is known for high milk quality. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छे आप सभी ने सही आंसर किया है. ठीक है, it is a famous milk producing breed originated from ओरिजिनेटिंग फ्रॉम गुजरात, ठीक है। इसका ओरिजिन आपको ब्रीड्स देखो, जितनी भी ब्रीड्स आप पढ़ो इंपॉर्टेंट ब्रीड्स, उनका आपको ओरिजिन पढ़ना है और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फीचर पढ़ना है कि कैसे हम एक ब्रीड को दूसरी ब्रीड से डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं। जहां पे भी इंपॉर्टेंट ब्रीड्स हैं उनके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फीचर, ओरिजिन, और whether it is a milk purpose, draught purpose or dual purpose breed, you all have to learn all these things, ठीक है। Then if I talk about Ongole and Kangyam, they are draught breed, ठीक है। अमृत महल is and Tharparkar are also draught purpose breed, clear? Moving to the next question, the process of giving birth to young one in animal is called. Okay, now students, you have to also learn about the terminologies, ठीक है, terminologies that are used in animal husbandry. यहाँ से भी बहुत बार क्वेश्चन देखे गए हैं आपके एग्जामिनेशन में, ठीक है। तो terminologies जो भी यूज होती है एनिमल हस्बेंड्री में, like what is gestation period, what is the process called giving birth in animals, or what is the process of separating young one from the mother, what is the process of separating one cattle from the rest of the herd. So ये सारी terminologies you should know very good. Here also I can see many of you have given the right answer, which is option C, parturition, ठीक है। So students, here process of giving birth to young one in animal is called parturition. So process, just we called it as a parturition. Whenever animal give birth to young one, that particular process in animal husbandry is known as parturition. Clear? I hope this is clear. Okay, ठीक है। Now one more thing you have to learn, students, gestation period or the pregnancy period. What is this gestation period in animal? Basically it is the time period when the animal has conceived the baby till the time of parturition. तो कंसीविंग टिल पार्चुरेशन जो भी टाइम पीरियड होता है उसको बोलते हैं जेस्टेशन पीरियड, एंड यू नीड टू लर्न द जेस्टेशन पीरियड ऑफ डिफरेंट एनिमल, ओके, दैट आर रेयर्ड इन एनिमल हस्बेंड्री, क्लियर? ओके, क्योंकि यहाँ से भी क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं आपके एग्जामिनेशन में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्रॉस ब्रीडिंग बिटवीन इंडियन एंड एक्सोटिक कैटल ब्रीड इज प्राइमरली डन टू। तो हम क्रॉस ब्रीडिंग क्यों करते हैं एनिमल्स में, आपको बताना है। योर ऑप्शंस आर रिड्यूस फैट कंटेंट इन मिल्क, या फिर इंक्रीज डिजीज रेसिस्टेंस, या फिर इंप्रूव मिल्क यील्ड एंड क्वालिटी, रिड्यूस जेस्टेशन पीरियड, चेंज बॉडी कलर। किस लिए क्रॉस ब्रीडिंग की जाती है एनिमल्स में? क्रॉस ब्रीडिंग क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? when we are mating the different breeds, okay, when we are mating different breeds for a particular purpose, right, which can be due to any reason, ठीक है, but especially in case of animals it is done, very good, you have given the right answer, it is done to improve milk yield and quality. See what happens generally in the indigenous breed, milk quality, milk yield is less, and in the exotic breed, milk yield and milk quality is very good. So cross is done so that the new breed which is formed after the cross can have good yield and milk quality. Clear? So one example here is Curran Swiss and Curran Fries, which are the breeds developed from the cross breeding. Clear? So I hope this is clear. So students, see, disease resistance, adaptability, other reason can be there for breeding, but here main purpose is to improve milk yield and quality, ठीक है, in case of animal husbandry. Next question is, which nutrient is most essential for the formation of strong eggshell in poultry? Students, आपके एग्जामिनेशन में 2024 में भी एग हैंडलिंग, एग मेंटेनेंस से भी क्वेश्चन आया गया है, ठीक है। हैचिंग कैसे होती है, एंड देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग अ पार्ट ऑफ एग और समथिंग वाज रिलेटेड टू एग, ठीक है। तो नाउ यू हैव टू कवर दिस एग टॉपिक आल्सो वेरी वेल, ठीक है। इंक्यूबेशन के लिए क्या कंडीशंस होनी चाहिए, हैचिंग कितने दिनों में होती है, देन ये एग कितने टाइम टिल्ट रोटेट करने चाहिए, है ना। सो एवरीथिंग रिगार्डिंग द egg maintenance or egg production, you need to cover this topic. Question have been asked in your examination in 2024, ठीक है। Now here the question says, which nutrient is most essential for the formation of strong egg shell in poultry? So students, जो egg shell होता है that is made up of calcium carbonate, okay, so the nutrient essential will be calcium, right? So जो egg shell है वो primarily it is made up of calcium carbonate. ठीक है, deficiency of this calcium can result in thin shell or soft shell, and that shell can easily break. So it's very important that calcium deficiency should not be there in the poultry. Okay, and the vitamin D aids calcium absorption. So students, vitamin D basically in our humans also, when we take vitamin D through sun, so it aids in calcium absorption, right? Vitamin D is important, but here for formation of egg cell, calcium is very, very, very important, and vitamin D aids in calcium absorption in the poultry. Clear? Clear? Very good. Moving to the next question, the process of removing the sharp tip of a chick's beak to prevent pecking is called. So students, the beak of hens, okay, the beak of the chickens are very sharp. They are very sharp. Okay, and what we do, we remove the sharp tip. In poultry, when we maintain poultry, when we maintain a large number of chickens, so this sharp beak is blunt down, or it is cut down, so that it is not that much sharp. So why it is done, and what is the process basically? So process is, your options are brooding, culling, debeaking, pruning, beak trimming. उस process को क्या कहते हैं? Basically it is called students debeaking. ठीक है, तो इस प्रोसेस को डीबीकिंग कहते हैं, जहां पे हम बीक को, जो शार्प बीक होती है, उसको कट कर देते हैं. सो दैट, ये इसलिए किया जाता है क्योंकि these chickens when live together, they can cause wound to another bird. बहुत सारे पोल्ट्री में क्या होता है, बहुत सारे चिकन्स एक जगह पे रेयर किया जाता है. अगर उनकी शार्प बीक होगी, so while they are picking food material or doing something, they can harm other bird. So debeaking is done where the sharp tip is broken down. ठीक है, broken down. This is called debeaking. Very good. You should know what is debeaking. So basically students, debeaking is breaking or trimming the sharp beak of chicken. Okay, usually within 7 to 10 days of age. तो 7 से 10 दिन के अंदर debeaking की जाती है, because it will prevent further injury, feather pecking और cannibalism. ठीक है, ये भी होता है poultry में. So it helps maintain flock uniformity and reduce feed wastage. And the upper third of the beak is trimmed carefully with hot blade. With the help of hot blade, this is trimmed. Okay, the beak is trimmed. That is called as debeaking. Very good. All of you have given the right answer. Good. Moving to the next question. A poultry bird reared mainly for meat production is called. Chicken. Now question have been asked in your examination regarding this. So you have to tell me, when we are rearing these birds just for the purpose of meat production, what is it called? Is it layer, broiler, breeder, cockerel, chaser? ठीक है, what will be the answer? No, beak trimming is not correct, because there is a particular term given, debeaking, for that. Okay, chalo. If debeaking is not there, and then beak trimming is given, then you can opt it, but debeaking is the suitable terminology for that. Okay, chalo, very good. It is broiler. ठीक है. Now students, the poultry birds are reared for two purposes, either for laying eggs or for meat, right? Either for laying eggs or for meat purpose. ठीक है, for meat purpose. So when we rear these birds for egg purpose or for the egg production, then they are called layers. And when this poultry bird are reared for meat production, then they are called broilers. Very, very important. You have to learn about the difference between layers and broilers, and what is the difference in maintenance of these two. Clear? Chalo, that's all about this question. Moving to the next. Okay, so here again same thing. Broilers are poultry birds specially bred and managed for rapid weight gain and tender meat, because here what we are concerned with the meat, right? So once they achieved a size of 1.5 to 2.5 kg, 2.5 kg, then they are taken to the market for the meat purpose. Chalo, moving to the next question. The practice of rearing bird on the floor using litter material like sawdust or rice husk is called? What is that practice called? Your options are battery system, free range system, deep litter system, semi-intensive system, or backyard system. Okay, what will be the answer here? Okay, so answer for this question will be, answer for, yes, very good, all of you have given the answer, right answer, very good. It is deep litter system. Okay, what is this deep litter system, students? Here what we do, we use all kind of straws, stubbles, or sawdust. These are spread over floor, and over that floor where we have spread all this material, we are rearing hens, we are rearing these birds. Okay, now what is the challenge here? That we need to replace it, because what will happen after few days, there will be the excreta of birds lying around over this dust. So we need to replace it regularly at a particular time interval, so that there is no disease spread, there is there is no unhygienic condition in the poultry, right? So this is the deep litter system. You have to learn this. What is battery system? In battery system, small cages are built, and inside these cages the birds are reared. Okay, that is the battery system. Students, free range system is where you are freely allowing bird to move anywhere. Okay, there is a whole lot area dedicated to poultry, and birds are freely moving here to there. Okay, in semi-intensive system, what is done, that birds are allowed to rear freely during daytime, and then they are again again locked in the cage during night time. So that is the semi-intensive system. Backyard system is again a free range system, but it is done in the backyard, so it is done in very small range. Okay, so this is the different type of system used for rearing birds. Clear? Next question is, okay, so I hope it is clear to you. I have told you, we spread all these sawdust, straw, everything, and make a bedding of around 10 to 15 centimeter, and over that we allow these birds to rear. Okay, next question is, artificial insemination in cattle is preferred because, okay, why artificial insemination is preferred in cattle? So what is artificial insemination, students? So usually here, natural mating is not allowed in animals. Rather, the male gametes is placed inside the female reproductive tract, and through some special skilled labor who are skilled in this, skilled doctors who are skilled in doing artificial insemination. So people who are trained in doing this, what they do, they carefully put the male semen or male gametes inside the female reproductive tract, so that there can be fertilization. Okay, so why it is preferred? Why it is preferred? So is it to reduce disease transmission, to allow selective breeding, to reduce maintenance cost of bull, it improve conception rate, or all of the above? What can be the answer for this particular question? I have already told you what is the meaning of. Yes, very good, very good, all of you have given the right answer. ठीक है, all of the above is the advantage of, or why artificial insemination is preferred. See students, it will reduce disease transmission. If the bull is having any disease, so there will be no transmission of that disease to the female cattle, right? So it allows selective breeding. Now if we want to crossbreed some exotic breed with our Indian breed, what will happen? And we cannot bring that breed here, so we can we can just import that material, and then do the crossbreeding here in India, in our country, right? So again, yes, maintenance cost of bull is very high, so that is reduced if we do this kind of insemination, and it improves conception rate. Yes, because carefully it is placed where it is required, and chances of conceiving here is high. Clear? So all of these are the advantages of artificial insemination. Okay. I have told you it involved depositing semen from selected bull into the cow reproductive tract. Clear? That is the artificial insemination. Okay. Why dehorning commonly practiced in India? Now there is one more practice which is known as dehorning. Dehorning क्या होता है students? Horns जो होते हैं cattle and buffalo में, they are broken down, और उनको पहले ही तोड़ दिया जाता है, और they are not allowed to grow. ठीक है, by doing this dehorning, these horn do not grow. So why dehorning is done? So is it to improve appearance, to reduce injuries to other animals and handlers, to increase milk yield, to identify the animal, to promote faster growth? So in your opinion, what can be the purpose of dehorning? Okay, so I request everybody to please right now wait. At the end, I will take your query. Okay, you can ask me all your doubts and queries at the end of the class. ठीक है, I'll take one by one. इससे क्या हो रहा है कि आपकी queries पीछे चली रही है, जैसे जैसे comment आ रहे हैं queries पीछे चली जा रही है, and I am not able to read them. So at the end I'll take it. Okay, so yes, answer is very good. Answer is option B, that is to reduce injuries to other animals. ठीक है. So students, dehorning is what? It is removal of horns. It is removal of horn. So it is done basically. It prevents injuries caused during fighting, milking, handling. So sometimes when you rear so many animals, in a small area or in an area, so what can happen? There can be fighting. There can be some during passing. When one animal pass through another, it can harm other animal, right? So in order to avoid these circumstances, dehorning is done. Clear? Chalo. Next question is, which of the following is a dual purpose cattle breed used for both milk and draught? Your options are Red Sindhi, Sahiwal, Tharparkar, Ongol or Murrah. Now students, such questions are often asked in your NABARD Grade A examination. So please do read about all these kinds of breeds. Okay. Okay. What will be the answer? Quickly give me the answer. Okay, very good. डुअल पर्पस ब्रीड इज बेसिकली थार पार्कर. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे जो डुअल पर्पस ब्रीड होती है वो थार पार्कर है. थार पार्कर ड्रॉट पर्पस नहीं है, सॉरी, शायद मैंने थार पार्कर को ड्रॉट पर्पस बोल दिया था पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में. इट इज डुअल पर्पस. ठीक है, इट इज डुअल पर्पस. रेड सिंधी, साहिवाल, मुर्रा, ये मिल्क पर्पस ब्रीड है. मुर्रा इज ब्रीड ऑफ बफलो. ठीक है, साहिवाल, रेड सिंधी इज ब्रीड ऑफ कैटल. ठीक है, सो प्लीज नोट दैट what are these breed and milk purpose कौन सी है, ड्रॉट पर्पस कौन सी है, एंड डुअल पर्पस कौन सी है. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन पोल्ट्री द पीरियड फ्रॉम हैचिंग टिल द chicks are ready to be moved to a grower house is known as. Okay, अभी मुझे याद आ रहा है कि किसी ने शायद ब्रूडिंग से क्वेश्चन पूछा था, राइट? सो आई डिडंट आंसर दैट क्वेरी. आई डिडंट आंसर दैट क्वेरी बिकॉज यहाँ पे मैंने ब्रूडिंग कवर किया है. ठीक है, चलो question is the period from hatching, ठीक है, till the egg hatch to the time when chickens or the small chicks are moved toward the grower house. ठीक है, so student, जो ये management होता है पोल्ट्री में, that is done at different level. ठीक है, hatching and small young chicks, they grow in a different house, then they move toward are moved to the grower house and then they move to the next layers house. ठीक है, जैसे जैसे उनकी एज बढ़ती है उनको डिफरेंट सेक्शन में डिफरेंट कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया जाता है. ठीक है, सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस पीरियड इज नोन एज ब्रूडिंग पीरियड. ठीक है, ब्रूडिंग पीरियड. ठीक है, जिसका भी क्वेरी था, ब्रूडिंग पीरियड क्या होता है बेसिकली? इट इज बेसिकली कि जब आपका जो एग है वो हैच हो गया है, यंग चिक हैज कम आउट एंड नाउ you have nurtured that chick for some days. ठीक है, and then after that is taken to the grower house. ठीक है, it will stay in grower house for some time, that is grower period, and then it will be moved toward the next category house, that is layer house, where it will lay egg. Clear? So I hope it is क्लियर, आई होप इट इज क्लियर, ठीक है। सो ब्रूडिंग इज अ पीरियड ऑफ अराउंड 0 to 4 वीक, ठीक है। 0 to 4 वीक का टाइम होता है आपका ब्रूडिंग पीरियड का। वहां पे क्या होता है कि न्यूली हैश चिक्स नीड एक्सटर्नल हीट एंड स्पेशल केयर। तो ये ब्रूडिंग हाउस में स्पेशल केयर इज गिवन टू द न्यूली हैश्ड चिक्स, ठीक है। सो दैट इज द ब्रूडिंग पीरियड एंड ऑल अबाउट ब्रूडिंग हाउस, ठीक है। चलो नेक्स्ट इज विच फीड इंग्रेडिएंट प्रोवाइड मेन सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन फॉर पोल्ट्री, ठीक है। कौन सी फीड इंग्रेडिएंट प्रोवाइड is the main source of protein for poultry? Your options are given: rice bran, maize, groundnut cake, salt, calcium powder. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? What will be the answer? ठीक है। yes, Jaya, yes, Ongol is a dual purpose breed, ठीक है। एस्पायरिंग 00100 Ongol dual purpose breed है, ठीक है। कहाँ पे था? yes, yes, Ongol is also Ongol is a dual purpose breed, ठीक है। which of the following is dual purpose cattle breed? So here Tharparkar and Ongol both should be the answer then, right? Okay. So students, we need corrections here. Ongol is also a dual purpose breed, ठीक है। I think that's why people has asked me this question. So we need correction here in this particular question again, ठीक है। Okay, so students here just please do the correction. ये गलत हो गया है क्वेश्चन। Actually it should be C and D both, then answer will be E, ठीक है। Ongol and Tharparkar दोनों ही broad purpose breed है, ठीक है। चलो आई होप वो क्लियर हो गया है, राइट। चलो कमिंग टू दिस क्वेश्चन, यस। सो स्टूडेंट्स मेन सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन फॉर पोल्ट्री इज ग्राउंडनट केक, ठीक है। ग्राउंडनट केक, सो ग्राउंडनट केक एंड सोयाबीन मील आर रिच इन प्रोटीन। सो मेन सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन फॉर पोल्ट्री इज यूजुअली टेकन फ्रॉम groundnut, not maize, ठीक है। maize provide energy while minerals and vitamins are added separately, ठीक है। देखो जो पोल्ट्री फीड बनती है यूजुअली एज अ सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन वहां पे ग्राउंडनट दिया जाता है, और जो मेज है वो रिच है कार्बोहाइड्रेट में। तो मेज इज अ सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, मेज इज अ सोर्स ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट, एंड अदर मिनरल्स विच आर रिक्वायर्ड आर एडेड टू दिस फीड एंड देन गिवन टू द पोल्ट्री। क्लियर? ओके, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द करेक्शन, ठीक है। लेट्स मूव अहेड। Which of the following buffalo breed have the average 7% of milk fat? ठीक है। मुर्रा, नीली रावी, भादावरी, all of the above, none of the above. You have to tell me which buffalo breed have 7% of fat in its milk. ठीक है। Yes, soybean can also be used as, soybean cake can also be used as a source of protein, but in the option it was not there, right? But अगर आपका सोयाबीन, ग्राउंडनट both are in the options, so अगर A and B मतलब दोनों ही options में हैं तो दोनों will be the answer, otherwise ग्राउंडनट और सोयाबीन कोई सा भी option होगा that will be the correct answer, ठीक है। So students, right answer for this question will be मुर्रा, very important breed। देखो मुर्रा से you will find around 2 to 3 times questions have been asked, ठीक है। तो मुर्रा is the highest milk producing breed of buffalo, ठीक है। highest milk producing breed of buffalo, ठीक है। ये याद रखना है, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है। मुर्रा इज द हाईएस्ट मिल्क प्रोड्यूसिंग ब्रीड ऑफ बफलो, एंड जो ये मुर्रा ब्रीड है, द मिल्क ऑफ मुर्रा ब्रीड हैव एटलीस्ट और ऑन एन एवरेज हैव 7% ऑफ फैट इन इट, ओके। तो 7% फैट होता है आपके जो मुर्रा ब्रीड है बफलो की उसमें, ठीक है। मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, भादावरी बफलो ब्रीड हैव द हाईएस्ट sorry, I have told you the answer. Have dash fat percentage. Is it the lowest, highest, no fat percentage, or 100%, or none of the above? Okay, what will be the answer? So yes, very good, very good. Answer will be it has the highest fat percentage. ठीक है, out of all breed of buffalo, highest fat percentage is in the Bhadawari. ठीक है, that is around 14%. ठीक है, on average 14% fat is present in the Bhadawari buffalo. Highest milk producing breed is Murra. Fat percentage of Murra milk is 7%. Highest fat production is in the milk of Bhadawari buffalo, ठीक है, which is around 14%. There is a clear difference between these two breed, और ये slight confusion, slightly it can be confusing, right? But here understand, highest fat किस में है? Bhadawari buffalo breed में. एंड हाईएस्ट मिल्क प्रोड्यूसिंग इज मुर्रा, जिसमें 7% ऑन एन एवरेज फैट मिलता है. ठीक है, आई होप इट इज क्लियर, आई होप इट इज क्लियर. ठीक है, चलो, with this we have completed questions of today's session. ठीक है, that was all about today's class. I have covered rest of the questions in part 2, that you will be getting in the form of recorded video. So tomorrow part 2 will come for the same chapter, and then you will get recorded videos for the other chapters. Okay, now if anybody have any doubt, any query, please let me know. मयंक, कोई ज्यादा difference है. Fat content can be calculated in terms of percentage, which is called fat percentage. Clear? Okay, you're welcome. Okay, any query, any question anybody have? Please, if you want to download the PDF, you can download it from our Telegram channel. Rest, we have come to the end of this lecture, and today is the last day when I am live with you. I wish you all the best. Okay, I want everybody of you to please work hard, cover all the subjects thoroughly, give special focus to important chapters. Okay, and try to practice question as much as possible. You're welcome, everybody. You're welcome. Any question anybody have? See, schemes will be covered in the schemes classes. ठीक है, so that is different, but you will get different classes for that. But ARD static is over. ARD static is over, and after some days, I think your ARD current affairs classes will also start, which will be taken by Diksha ma'am. ठीक है, चलो, ठीक है. You're welcome, Akansha, and thank you so much. हाँ, yes, मैराथन क्लास होगी on 17 I think, मतलब अराउंड 17-18 को आपकी ARD स्टैटिक की मैराथन होगी. There I'll bring 100 questions. ठीक है, we'll solve 100 questions, top and most important 100 questions of ARD. So if you want to watch, you can watch that. See, actually, I'm not available from tomorrow onward. I have to go for some other important work. So yeah, so that's why you will be getting the recorded session. ठीक है? Any other query? See, you can ask all your doubt today. I am here. You can ask all your doubt, and I'll try to clear them. ठीक है? Yes. Marathon will be on YouTube. YouTube पे ही होगी आपकी marathon. नो इश्यूज, आपको मैराथन से पहले भी इन्फॉर्म कर लेंगे. ठीक है, बट क्या 17 is the scheduled time for my marathon. You will be getting marathon for schemes and other subjects also. But yeah, 17 दिसंबर को I will be coming for the with the marathon session. ठीक. Okay, you're welcome. Anybody else have any questions? See, recorded classes you will get from tomorrow onward at the same time. 2:30 you will get the recorded classes. There are around 3 to 4 classes which were left, for which I had to take on YouTube. So वो 3 से 4 classes आपको recorded session आपको मिल जाएंगे same time पे at 2:30. ठीक है, देखो, if you it's totally up to you. If you want to practice more questions, you can watch the previous year marathons also. That is completely fine, right? You can watch it because ARD static is static subject. कुछ change नहीं होता है ज़्यादा. पैटर्न थोड़ा सा चेंज हो सकता है, बट हाँ, क्वेश्चंस ऑलमोस्ट कहीं ना कहीं उन्हीं टॉपिक से रहते हैं, तो यू कैन प्रैक्टिस. ओके, एनीथिंग एल्स एनीबडी वांट टू आस्क? Any other query, any other question? Okay. So I think there is no doubt, no questions, no query. Very good. So I wish you all the best. ठीक है, I wish you all the best for your preparation, and my best wishes to all. And I wish you all the best for your phase 1, and then we'll have again classes for phase 2. So I wish that all of you clear your phase 1, and we'll be meeting for the phase 2 classes on YouTube, right? So that's all. Thank you and all the best.